Rockhopper here, and today I'm going to show you where Satan cooks his meals. It's an easy walking path, doesn't get much easier than this. It's paved. Looks like it's only about a quarter mile to get to the Devil's Kitchen. The hike is smooth, flat, wheelchair accessible, and a fairly easy wander to get to our destination. This is one of the lesser known gems of Utah, and I heard that it resembles like a miniature Bryce Canyon, so I guess we'll find out. But first, let me show you around the area. In the shadow of the tallest peak in the Wasatch Range, Mount Nebo, at 11,928 feet tall, is an area known as the Devil's Kitchen. Mormon pioneers named Mount Nebo in Utah after the Mount Nebo in Palestine. Nebo means Sentinel of God. The mountain was first summited in 1869 by W. W. Phelps. As you walk along the path, you'll notice several kinds of plants. This one is called snowberry. It provides food and shelter for small animals and insects. Although wildlife enjoy the berries, they're poisonous to humans. Like I said in a previous video, the snowberry is no berry to be eating. This is the flower of the wild rose. The petals and hips of the plant are edible and provide a healthy dose of vitamin C. This is the aspen tree. Also known as the quaking aspen, its leaves tremble in the slightest breeze. The inner bark, or cambium, is edible. In fall, the leaves turn a brilliant yellow, but can also be colors of orange or red. Sagebrush is a familiar plant in the interior West. A few leaves crushed between the fingers yields a pungent aromatic scent. This bush can grow 6 feet high and live to be over 100 years old. The Navajo used it for smoking hides, as an antiseptic for wounds, stopping internal bleeding, and for treating headaches and colds. The Saskatoon, or service berry, provides a tasty fruit for bears and humans. Hey, if you don't mind, take just a minute to hit that subscribe button and hit that like. Chokecherry provides food and habitat for wildlife. Though the fruits are edible, the leaves, stems, and seeds contain toxic amounts of hydrocyanic acid. If animals eat excessive amounts of foliage, they can be poisoned and occasionally die. If you like butterflies, make sure to keep an eye out for caterpillars along the path so you don't step on them, as well as those industrious ants going about their business. This is the mountain mahogany tree. Not a true mahogany. Its name derives from the dense, heavy wood which sinks in water. Many of the older trees look gnarled and twisted. Its seeds have long feather-like plumes that cover the tree, giving it a fuzzy appearance. It can be drought-tolerant and tolerate poor soil. The gamble oak grows in many of the foothills and lower mountain elevations of western North America. Its branches are flexible and bend without breaking. Even when covered in heavy snow, their leaves turn orange and yellow in fall, blanketing hillsides with color. Its acorns provide nutritious food for deer as well as squirrels that store them for winter rations. Follow the path until you reach the end, and there you'll find an overlook of the area called Devil's Kitchen. It consists of conglomerate rock, and the vivid red is from oxidation of iron within. More than 80 million years ago, streams eroded a mountain range and deposited sand and gravel, which was buried and cemented to form the rock you see today. This is called cone erosion, which has no capstone to protect the underlying material from eroding. And over here we have a hoodoo, formed when a harder capstone protects the underlying material from eroding as quickly. enjoyed exploring the Devil's Kitchen with me. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, this is Rockhopper. I'll see ya.